Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reward. My name is Deep and I hope you guys are doing okay. So today we are back with a tech unboxing. We have today the boAt Airdopes 141. Let's not waste any more time. I will just show you around the box and see and tell you about the features that it has. So this has something called beast mode for low latency. So everything is trademark. This is also trademark. ENx of course trademark tech be heard clearer. Okay, so something about voice clarity here. ASAP charge. Okay, they have trademarked the ASAP also. My god, we can't even use that in our meetings anymore. It is trademark now. Coming to the left hand side, it just says just play. Kier Advani signature of her. On the top nothing. On the sides instant voice assistant. So this is compatible with Google Assistant and Siri for Android and Apple respectively. On the bottom the details of the importer and the manufacturer. Customer care details are given here. Email made in China, of course. Warranty is 1 year. The MRP of this is 4,490, but I got this for around 1,499. So you can get that for around the same price, plus minus 100, 100 or 200. Should not be more than that. Now, coming to the back, the main details are given here. So IWP technology, not sure what it means, we'll see. Again trademarked. Immersive audio, this is not trademark. Okay, quick response touch controls. Total playback is 42 hours. So if you charge it completely along with the case and everything, this will give you 42 hours of playback. I would say that's quite nice. IPX4 sweat resistance, so you can go to the gym with this. You can go running. You can go, I think you can also swim wearing this, but don't do that. It will just get out of your ear and float away. But it is sweat resistance for every your day-to-day activity, or if you want to work out. Bluetooth version 5.1, so the latest one. So the instant charge that we saw, this actually means 5 minutes 75 minutes. So if you charge this for around 5 minutes, this will give you a playback time of 75 minutes. I would say that is really good. In today's age, you don't have much time, right? And everything you needs to be charged. So if you charge it for 5 minutes, it will last you for 75 minutes. So I will do the review of this and test all the claims of this. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't. So the review will be dropping very soon. ASAP charge. Okay. Below that all the social media handles are given, Twitter and .com, their website, blah blah. So charging norms and guidelines, adapter, okay. Package contents, so let's see what they have. One number Airdopes 141, one number type C cable. This is nice. This has type C cable, type C charging, which is good. All our mobiles and everything is type C, so we don't have to carry a micro USB separately with charge C, so it will take care of that. boAt, in fact, all their new technology, they have charge C in that one, so that is one good thing. And anyways, micro USB, it's done now. One number of warranty card, one number of readme card, extra earmuffs. Okay, two numbers of extra earmuffs, so that is that small, medium and large. One number manual, catalog, one FAQ card. All right, great. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing of this one. So a white cardboard box, come out. So right away we are greeted with the Airdope box. Let's take it out and let's see what else do we have. It should come off if I am correct, because the cables and all those things. All right. I am expecting all the things that that's the usual. There should be a sticker also somewhere saying that it's a boat head or something. All right. And this is the card. Read me before use. I actually, this thing I do not like about boAt. They actually give lot of paper. Do you see? It's just a wastage of paper. Just a simple booklet should suffice. So read me this one. Hardik Pandya, blah blah. So another one is FAQ card. I'll just show that to you. Issues, they have some troubleshooting things. Issue 1, issue 2, sound quality issue, great. Charging call issue, all the issues, troubleshooting, something like that. Another useless card, 1 year of manufacturing warranty. I don't know why you are giving this boAt. So we have this just play Airdopes 141. Get ready, lot of marketing things, contents. Yeah, this is something that is relevant, at least I would say. Single earbud usage, again this is relevant. Charging the earbuds, okay. And basic function voice assistant. Yeah, just include this one. Why are you including all these bullshit things? Anyways, yeah, this is another thing. This is totally bullshit. You see this? What is the point of that? Every in their every product they will include something like this. Be a little bit eco-friendly boAt. And yeah, this is the sticker. I am a boAt head. I don't know if anyone uses that, if anyone sticks it somewhere. It's again another useless thing. So coming to the main product itself, made of plastic, matte black, but yeah, not a premium finish. It does not feel that well in the hand. So charge C here, but it does the job well. It has magnet, it's magnetic. It actually gives you a airpod vibes. So come to think of it, ear dopes, right? It's actually a riff of AirPods, right? Pod dope, they just turned it around. Fun fact. So left, right, we just take one out. So this is the right one. This is how it looks, metal inside. And these are, there's a fingerprint icon here, and I guess you can touch it here to pause, play, and rest of the functionalities that it has. So yeah, there's again, there is, yeah, this, there's LED here which shows the status. I think it's blinking now, it's ready for connection with your with any mobile, and if it charges. Also there is this four charge indicator here. So now it's full, but according to the charge it will come down or go up. No other buttons there. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.